Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today we are going to take a tour of the Phoenix floor plan by SK Homes. Now the Phoenix has a little over 2,300 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. On the main level you have a study. It is a formal dining room as well as a breakfast area. It's an open floor plan with a huge kitchen with lots of cabinet and counter space. There's a walk-in pantry as well. Upstairs, you have the huge owner's suite with an ensuite bathroom that has a separate shower, a garden tub, and a walk-in closet. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So this is an open floor plan home. There's a corner fireplace in the living room, a huge kitchen on this side with a center island, and there's plenty of windows which makes this home very bright. Let's check it out. So upstairs you have a huge owner's suite with lots of windows, 3 additional bedrooms. There's a huge laundry room on this level as well. Let's go check it out. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Well, if you are interested in this new construction home or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, regardless of the builder, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available properties for sale in the area. www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.